You never know where a life will take you. Every day is a beautiful gift, and we must make the most out of it. So let me share with you a small story.
So it's my last day in Dimapur, and now I will heading to Kohima. I heard that it's a beautiful place, and after that I will go to Dzukou Valley, and then I will trek for 8 hours. I have met as a guide there. He will take me to there. I hope for the best. Let's go. So let's start the day with some workouts. Workouts really necessary. Mine. So I am finally ready, and I will be leaving to Kohima by taxi. So here's my backpack. I'm fully ready. Here's my warm clothes, my camera bag, my friend's equipment. He will be leaving to Guwahati, and my diary 2020. And here's my backpack, which I always carry whenever I travel. So he's my best friend. So since I'm leaving right now, I just want to say something to you. Like, it's 2020. This is a very special year for me because last year 2019, there were lots of hard times. Like I had an accident also, and I have to face lots of problems. But with God's grace, this 2020 is a very beautiful year, and lots of good things are happening to me. And I believe that to everyone, I always say that if you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything in this world. Likewise, I just want to say something to you through this video, that whatever you're doing, whatever your passion is, if you work hard for it, you will surely achieve it. And if you have the willingness, and if you have the dedication, no one can stop you. The only thing that matters is happiness, right? No matter how much money you earn, but if you're not happy, it's useless. So I just want to say all of you that follow what you're doing, follow your dreams, follow your passion, because you get one life. It is a common sense, and if you work hard for it, you surely get it. Everyone in this world is doing, then why not you? You're no different. You're just a human being. Everybody is a human being, and if he or she can do it, you also can do it. So you just need to believe in yourself. You need to work hard and have the willpower to achieve what it takes to. And moreover, the most important thing is that you need to love the process. You don't need to focus on the goal, right? You don't need to focus on the top of the mountain. You just need to focus on the way. Okay, love the process and do what you're doing. You'll surely achieve it. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day you will surely achieve it.
I'm facing back to front, over my shoulder at the sun, and it's an open door, and off my line of sight once more.
Finally here in Kohima, I'm staying at Raju Point, and I've called my guide and he will be coming here soon. I actually think that he's in his village and he will soon reach here, and we both will go for a trek in the Dzukou Valley. So let me show you how the place is. So the journey starts here, and this is my guide Kiwi. So yeah, it's a very beautiful place. I bring my, let's go. I brought my drone here, but I heard that it's not allowed. So let's just work with the camera. Okay, I'm just halfway away and I'm totally exhausted. I didn't know that this was so tough, but let's keep going. Let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, let's go. My God, is out there. You can tell by the red in my eyes. It's the highlight. There's something about the highlight. There's something about the highlight. There's something about the highlight. Grab it away, then it's the highlight. There's something about the highlight. There's something about the highlight. The cameraman is my friend Kiwi, my guide. He's helping me a lot to carry my bag. So let's go. This is all memorial or what?
No. It's just a stone.
It's stone, no?